Good morning, y'all. It's like 5 in the morning, y'all. I just woke up because it's fucking freezing. My truck will not stay on for nothing. But guess why it's so cold? Because it's snow outside. So isn't that lovely? It's snowing. I don't drive in places where it snows, baby. Like, I just broke my damn picture. Oh my God, I'm so annoyed. I've been sleeping on this truck for days on end because nobody knows how the truck works. I asked the shop. They said they can't get it to work. But yeah, I cannot do this anymore. I'm at my wit's end, guys. I'm at my wit's end. But y'all, we're about to go drop off this load. I don't have my trench coat because they let they let somebody take my stuff. I wake up every morning just like, why? So y'all, we about to go ahead and go and drop off this load, and we're gonna pick up this load and go to California. But after this, we have to go home. Like, we're going back home because I've had it up to here, so I think this is officially my last day. Like, I think it is. So I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit, y'all. Y'all see the snow all on the windows and all on the trailer. Here we are. Snow everywhere. Look at this shit, y'all. This truck just shut down in the middle of me driving, y'all. Like, look where my trailer is. Y'all, this shit really just shut down in the middle of me driving. Do you know how fucking dangerous that shit is? Like, what the fuck? That shit really just shut down. Y'all, I am literally on the side of the road, y'all. This shit just shut down. Like, yeah, this has to be my last time driving. I'm so sorry. Like, that is fucking crazy. Like, it really shut down. Like, I don't understand it. Like, how? Okay, y'all, so I'm doing this breakdown thing. Like, y'all, this is fucking ridiculous. Like, this is crazy. Now it won't let me type, y'all. It won't let me type on here. It won't let me press anything. Like, this shit is tweaking. My truck, I haven't even left the truck stop. The truck stop's right there. My truck literally stopped as I was turning out of the place. Like, do you know how scary that is? I'm in the middle of driving. Like, I'm just glad that I didn't make it to the highway or something where this joint just like shut down. Like, what? Truck broken down again. What the hell? So guys, we are still in the tow truck or whatever, y'all. It's like it's 4:17. We took a quick little nap because, y'all, that was a long little ride. That was at least like 3 to 4 hours. It's probably like 3 hours. But yeah, we're about to get this stuff off the truck. We are going to be here over the weekend as I suspected. So I'm so glad that I already packed like extra clothes or what have you. So that's what we're doing over the weekend. I'm not going to be vlogging or anything because I'm not doing anything. So this will probably be my last vlog as of the week. So yeah, yeah, guys, but look at the skin, y'all. Like, doing me right. But we're gonna go ahead and get our stuff off of this truck. We're at this little tow place. We're getting our stuff together, so y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get off here and get my food off of the truck, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Y'all, I'm so fucking irritated. Let me tell y'all what the fuck happened. So I get back in my truck. Hold on, y'all. So I get back in the truck. It's orange peels and whole bunch of shit in here. I'm looking like, what the fuck is this? Orange peels, everything. Look at my fucking bed. All my shit went through. And I'm asking the people, the little tow truck people, like, what the fuck is up? And they're just like, oh, well, the truck was unlocked. I checked it on Thursday and it was like that. And you still didn't lock my fucking truck? Like, she's like, well, we couldn't find the key. And I'm like, how couldn't you find the key when the dude told y'all where the key was? Like, literally, it's still some shit on the floor. Like, I gotta clean this shit up. And these motherfuckers is just like, well, I don't know. It's like, okay, so something is wrong with this truck, y'all. We about to see. Y'all, I've just about had it up to here with the problems and the issues. I took a shower. I did my laundry. You already know the drill. Y'all, I was trying to figure out what was that sound. They had the damn suspension down the whole time. So we had to deal with that. So this is what my truck keeps saying. I don't know if it's gonna pop up another message, but apparently the truck is still not finished or something is wrong with it. I don't know. I'm in my night clothes or my night shirt. I have bleached down the bed, but if you know me, I hate the smell of bleach. I don't know why the hell I didn't do this while I was driving, but here we are. I've bleached down my bed because I don't know what happened in here, or if they actually slept in here. I already washed my covers and stuff. They're in here, but I'll see you guys in a little bit while, you know, the truck airs out and stuff.
Got lost in San Diego, and they were still open. And hey, we're here waiting.
I didn't get lost.
You did that to yourself.
No, I didn't. How did I do that to myself? Now y'all starting to piss me off.